Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we have All Shine on Me from Born Pretty. They did send us over this set of polishes for me to show you. It did come with this instruction sheet. Pause to read if you would like. And then here is some additional information about the brand. And then here are the polishes. Thank you, Born Pretty, for sending these over. We are going to use this swatch wheel to have a look at these beauties. All right, so let's look at this first one. And of course, I will have links in the description for Born Pretty. These bottles are 10 milliliter. They have this cool little window where you can see in and see what the polish is going to look like. This one is looking like a sparkly blue, which I'm very excited about. I love a sparkle. Here is the back of the bottle if you'd like to look at that. And this one is Born Pretty FBS1. Oh yeah, look at that. These are just packed with sparkly, reflective glitters. Look how beautiful that is. You could wear this on its own or on top of another polish as a topper. That is absolutely stunning. It's like a icy, frosty blue, which is actually perfect because right now it is winter and I love to go with icy looks in the winter. But the sparkle really adds something extra. It's like a diamond effect and I'm a huge fan of that. Born Pretty is a really great brand. They make several different products and I really like everything that I've tried so far. If you haven't checked out Born Pretty, absolutely do. They have a really competitive price, which is wonderful. They are great for entry-level nail enthusiasts. They are definitely affordable and the product is also good. So it's the best of both worlds. The next one we'll look at is BP FBS1. So this one is more of a pinky, purpley, frosty, reflective glitter shade. Also equally stunning and perfect for the Valentine's season. Cannot wait to use this one. It's so beautiful. I really like how the colors are subtle, so they really just look like a pearly finish, and it lets the sparkle shine through and be the star of the show. That's really beautiful. The next one is BP FBS1. So this one is a silver, and I think it's really important to have a nice staple silver in your collection. You're really gonna just need a color that goes with everything, and this is a great way to do it, especially as a reflective glitter. Most commonly, reflective glitters do come in a silver shade, and you can put those with any other color and they're gonna look really good. I like that. Like, look how that looks, even over my skin so that you're able to see it better. It's sheer enough that you can see all the layers, but it also provides enough coverage that it gives you a full nail and you could just wear that on its own. Look how beautiful these are already going together. Imagine how stunning a Skittle Mani would be. Next we have BP FBS1. Now this one is your red sparkle, which is also perfect for the Valentine's season. If you are a red type of girly, if red is your favorite color, definitely check this one out. And it's gonna be great to use at holiday time as well. This would be absolutely stunning. Imagine doing a Christmassy nail set with a sparkly red like this. Maybe you would make some stars or some baubles. That would be beautiful. And the glitters are actually silver and red, or you could make some hearts for Valentine with that, or use it as a base on its own. Absolutely dazzling. BP FBS1. Here's your gold. If you are a elegant black tie classic type of nail artist, this one is going to be a great staple for you to have as well. Golds, like silvers, really do go with everything. It is such a versatile color and having a nice gold nugget nail is beautiful. I really like that shade. Again, it's not overpowering. It really lets that glitter shine through, but it has that sheer pearly type finish of that color, so you're still getting your favorite color. That would look so pretty over a black as well. Last but not least, BP FBS1. All right, so this one is more of a pinky brown, and I think it's really important to have a good selection of brown shades available. Brown is really underrated, and it's hard to find a good selection for them. So I'm really glad that this shade was included if you want to go with something that's in the more natural family, or even use it during fall time. A brown is a great way to do that, and it still gives you all of that sparkle and dazzle as you get with the other ones. So I am really glad that that was included in this collection. These shades are stunning. I will absolutely have links in the description for Born Pretty and all of the places that you can get them, as well as a link for this collection and a list of these shade names so that you can find them specifically if you're wanting to get them. I would absolutely recommend these. If you have them, let me know. Let me know what you think. You'll definitely want to add this to your collection if you don't have a great set of reflectives already, especially in this sheer formula, so that you can add these to any color you like, or you can wear them on your own if you're going out. These are going to look really great at night with the low lighting and the targeted lighting. It's going to dazzle, as well as in the bright sunlight. These are also going to shine and shimmer and look beautiful. But I will wrap it up here. Thank you so much for liking my videos, leaving me comments. I definitely do appreciate the interaction. It helps the algorithm, it helps me, it helps my channel grow. And definitely do be subscribed. You want to make sure you're not missing my videos. You can turn the bell on if you would like, and make sure you are here for any upcoming giveaways and events, live streams. We're doing a whole lot of fun stuff this season, and you don't want to miss out. But that's it. Thank you again for everything, and I'll see you in the next video.